Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, I'm going to start with Arsenal Football Club news. Mikel Arteta don't come outside for media sets where they call the ask and say, what give you that motivation, what give you the inspiration to talk say you won't become a coach in the future? You know, say this guy play for as a winger for like 5 years. He can retire for 2016, can't go for Man City, can't go stay under Pep Guardiola, then can't learn work finish. Then that kind 2019, after 3 years, can't come back. They can't hire him for Arsenal after they don't sack Unai Emery. We take over from as a winger. So now so the guy history can't date. See now he don't play. Not too long ago now for the last match he just playing 100 match. When he don't be as coach, they can't assess him. So Babacon talk say the person will give her that ginger, that motivation, you know, that inspiration to say, okay, I want to become a manager. Say that Arsene Wenger. Say that I went under Arsene Wenger for like 5 years, saying study the man, saying just like the way the guy they do. The guy is like a father. And another thing we say that invincible this thing way the man do. Almost say no coach don't feel replicate them for England. Everybody they try season after season they go try. At the end of the day they go fall like pack of cards. So that thing just give him the ginger. And the hope say maybe himself one day go feel replicate that invisible. But you go hard though, but it's doing Busha. At the same time, our mandatory spirit today they call Fabrizio Romano don't come outside to give us updates for this Vlahovic matter. So Babacon talk say you see Florentina CEOs who don't reason with Arsenal, that one don't pass. But now Arsenal board and Dusan Vlahovic agents, they never start any talk. They never open talk. Don't say Vlahovic they play for Florentina. Maybe that kind of January talks will start because their agents never reason Arsenal. Arsenal never reason them. The only people don't talk now maybe Arsenal board and Florentina board them. Now they don't agree on price. So, okay, that kind 68 million pounds or that kind 70 million pounds. Now those kind of price range that they won't sell the guy. So well, now till January because a lot of people don't know the reason this guy matter. The guy na hot property at 21. Everybody wants strength like mad. At the same time, Ramsdale self don't come outside from media sets. He can't explain the relationship when he gets with opposition fans because you know say against Leicester, where the fans they yabba and he can't follow them for the sing. They sing song with the insult them. He can't join them. They sing the song. They give them. You know they make them they feel happy. So you can talk say Premiership, you know too serious. Say him don't play for League 1, he don't play for League 2. Say for there now he was. You get say that one no barrier, no barricade. You get. Fans they see you one-on-one direct, you get nothing to protect you from them. If he punch you, if he stone you, but if he do anything. So if fans they abuse and say no, they abuse them back. Instead we just join them for the song where they take the abuse them. Then sometimes that kind of thing they pain the fans. Say if you want to go for team boss, if match don't end, they go they wait for. So if match just end, you go run, go enter inside boss because no security, no nothing. If they catch you, you are a gunner. So but for EPL barricades then and so EPL now league maybe say you dey for spotlight now so security dey your own club self get your own security so nothing can happen to you so you can just flex your muscle so na so e be. At the same time, Ramsey when they talk about the people waiting for in front for team, then the defense when they talk about Kelly and say any on Tavares, Ben White, Gabriel Magalhaes, or Tomiyasu with him, say all of them they enjoy defending. Say if you watch, if they do one kind of powerful save or powerful tap, all of them they go do fist bump. You know, they will just congratulate themselves, ginger themselves, say the thing they sweet them like man. Say defending the sweet them, if they collect clean sheets, say that one are the icing on the cake. Say they bust their brain like man. They should say yes, they did a great job. So that's how it's supposed to be. Well, we're happy with these guys. And my joy, my happiness, we say all these guys they are very, very young. So in the next 5 years, 4 years, hopefully say nothing happens. So we look at one kind of financial crisis, one concept player, all these people will still there. Imagine all of them one day together, 26 years, 27. They will not get massive experience for the game. So what you want tell them? They know what to do. Which is why we say even if Ben White close eye like this, he don't know where Gabriel Magalhaes dey. You know that kind of level, that kind of bonding. I just dey happy sha. At the same time, Joko don't come outside, can't give warning to Arteta, can't give warning about Smith Rowe. So Baba can't talk to this Smith Rowe guy. This guy has a small boy, you see. Now if say the guy don't perform, before you know now pressure will day on his head from the fans because now if say don't score back to back in 3 games. See, we get some kind of tough games. So they can't play now. They can't expect Smith Rowe to be the deciding factor to make a difference. And if you don't come make him now, they can't abuse him. They call and say me flop this one that. Forgetting say this guy is just a small boy, just the fortunate say he can't shine now when they score plenty, go say I beg. When I know too put pressure for this guy head, so now the one way Baba they want. I don't know whether I see reason, but see Baba they talk. So the pressure if you can't go there too much for this guy head, so more take him easy with the praises and everything. At the same time, Rio Ferdinand himself don't come outside from media set. When they talk about Emil Smith Rowe, Emil Smith Rowe, everybody they talk about now. So Baba can talk say, you see this Smith Rowe, see the guy they play like Alexander Leb, and at the same time, he get this Robert Pires vibe. You get the way the guy they travel with the ball, carry ball, go, with his feet, drill people, just the very. And now we say the guy don't they add goals to the game. No be all about assist again now. Goals don't they involve. That's why a lot of people only talk about the guy. So Ferdinand can talk say, for this Arsenal setup, say nobody they perform more than this MS Control right now. The guy got to praise the boy, and we they happy with the boy. Now you say he don't they represent England as a whole now. Not be only Arsenal. Now England boy don't be now. Scotland assistant coach, who they call John Carver, don't come outside and give us updates about Kerry and saying so back on talk say the guy they in good spirits and is full of running. You get the guy they prepare with them to play their next match, their World Cup qualifier. Well, our prayer be say make the guy play very well because that match na serious match because Scotland need to win. You get, but they no go overuse this guy now make him go extend or aggravating injury. We don't hope say he don't go. You get, if he play well on skate, say nothing can do him. I got be very happy hopefully because our next match for EPL is a very strong match. You go better to make them help us rest Kerry and say anymore. I beg, because that match against Liverpool, now do or die. I don't want to go there go lose our unbeaten run. So we need all our best legs, all our senior men. We don't get massive experience. This one no be Watford or Leicester or small team. This why I go to face all those guys Salah, Jota, Mane, all those Alexander, all those Roberts in them, or Arnold. No, we face all those guys senior men there, so it no go easy. While I don't boss, so Juventus don't join the race now to sign Vlahovic, so then they very very keen to add the guy to their squad because they be shit back and now they don't perform anything for that Serie A, so they want to add this guy whether he will rejuvenate their squad, and at the same time they will add Anthony Martial from Manchester United, and then they add Lacazette to their shopping list, and the people will say they will really need. Maybe they will select from those three names, or they will buy the whole three. We never know. So I never know how this one will affect us. Now whether the guy will come choose Juventus because of they offer senior man football because Juventus now big household name for Italy there now. And you say himself now Italian, even though he's a Serbian. He's not an Italian footballer. I would say they play for the national team, a Serbian MB. But whether the guy will come leave them, come join us, because if he can't join us, he will become a big star because the guy said they keen to come join England. But now we say Juventus don't enter the mix and never really know how this thing will end. Hey God, dude. I'm a sports build journalist where they call Christian Falk. Christian Falk now one of our monitoring spirits. So Baba can come outside and tell us say Arsenal never give up to sign Dennis Zakaria of Borussia Mönchengladbach. This guy is a defensive midfielder, very big and bold and bulky. The Arsenal never give up in signing this bullish midfielder. So well, everything until January because I know say once party and then he don't go. We need to sign the backup, and if we sign this Zakaria because the guy is interested in joining us, he wants to come to EPL. In short, EPL they attract plenty players. When you see EPL, they attract them gone. So everything in January, we Arsenal won't sign this guy. So I go pray to make Arsenal really they interested in the guy. When them bring her come, it will make sense. It will bolster that our midfield. Nice one. Surprise, Newcastle done the day linked with Rob Holding, will be Arsenal centre back. And Arsenal don't value the guy as £16.2 million. So Newcastle, they look for how they go to rejuvenate their squad and they try to come back. Now relegation back to the always the fight. And now they don't get money bags. So but generally they won't buy like mad. So Rob Holding they part of their plan. Well, Rob Holding has surplus requirement for our own side. To they play plenty competition. Time done the reach when himself go find square root. So if we collect £16.2 million, and if we can go sign other players now, buy other players to do for market now, so it just be well. Hopefully by January, if the reason was come up for what they'll say how far, how much, we just give them money. But I mean the guys out there for Benjamin, then are copying the play. I know they play plenty thing. And I know say if they come up for an instead go one go because now a new project with that Newcastle project. And finally, Arsenal don't slap £10 million for Lacazette head for this Barcelona where the reason the guy matter. Say in case Barcelona won't buy him, say na £10 million the thing go cost to. So I never know whether Barca go come sign because they don't announce say Xavi Hernandez can be their new coach. And Xavi said don't come, don't talk say he want make 3 people find their square roots for Barca. Say Umtiti they go continue and their keeper they call Neto. Say these 3 people, no one see them again by the time when go enter that place. So now you see they find their own replacements. We don't say Aguero, I told them before now, Aguero get cardiac arrest problems, so they for hospital. So now the reason who will come enter to assist Memphis Depay, we know the boss net. So Lacazette now, so that one get ginger. Now if you get ginger, they play for EPL. You go dey too much for La Liga because La Liga no ginger then and no gra. So you carry gra go then go the boss net week in week out. So that's why the reason now. I know say this guy by January go dey eligible to sign pre-contract with anybody at the end of the season. He will go for free. But that's why Arsenal they slap 10 million for anybody who want that. So if you want them, nah, give us 10 million cash and carry. Go follow that they go. I know say this one if it don't sit well with some fans we love Lacazette, we don't go like make Arsenal sell and go. Yesterday somebody they talk say if Arsenal sell Lacazette it could be a very big mistake. But don't forget that Lacazette is 30 years old or 29, 30 years. So you know the small picking again. The time will come where we say you go call it be like Aubameyang, we know the boss net again. I get them before no be property, so we need to make hay while the sun shine. If not to sell and collect money, go sell and go buy another younger striker. So now so it just be my dear people. So my dear football lovers, yeah, will come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, YouTube and Facebook will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you and have a nice day.